Welcome to Mr. Jahs class, where I, Mr. Jah, cover educational topics in a short amount of time. Let's get started. How to solve for acceleration when dealing with Newton's second law. Let's take a look at this problem. What is the acceleration of a 7,360 kilogram object that is pushed with a force of 95,116 newtons? Before we get to the problem, be aware that you can't just watch these videos and learn the equations. So please make sure you get your notebook and pencil and write down the steps. That way you don't just memorize what to do, you understand why we do what we're doing. This will be more beneficial in the long run. And if you know someone who needs help with these problems, please feel free to share it with them. Let's get to the video. Step 1. Write what you know. So let's take a look at the force. Do we have force? Okay, yes we do. That is the force right there. We know this because force is measured in newtons. What about the mass? Do we have the mass of the object? We do. That's going to be right there, 7,360. What about the acceleration? Well, obviously, we are trying to find the acceleration, so we don't have that. So let's go ahead and plug in our values. So step 2, plug in your values. Okay, force is equal to mass times acceleration. So this is the formula for Newton's second law. Let's go ahead and plug in what we know. So force goes there. And then mass goes there. So how do we solve for acceleration? What we do is we do the opposite of what is happening to acceleration. So because it's being multiplied by 7,360, we need to divide. This actually cancels it out. And whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. So therefore, acceleration is equal to 12.92 meters per second squared. And that is how you solve for acceleration. Thank you for watching the video. Attention science teachers. Want some free physics resources for your classroom? Click the teacher link in the description. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.